Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to my cooking channel, The Cucinera at its finest. Today we are making one of my all-time comfort dishes, Ginataang Kalabasa with pork belly. It's creamy, savory, and perfect with a bowl of hot rice. So tara na! Let's start cooking! I started by placing sliced pork belly in a kawali. No heat yet, so we're doing this low and slow. Then I added minced ginger, garlic, and finely chopped onions right on top of the pork. Next, I added 2 small packs of Coco Mama coconut milk. Cover the pan first, then turned on the heat to let everything slowly come to a boil. This method helps the pork release its own fat and lets the flavors come together without burning the aromatics. Once it started boiling, I seasoned it with fish sauce, a bit of distilled white vinegar, salt, and pepper. Then I let it keep boiling until the pork belly turned tender and full of flavor. Time for our main ingredient. I added chopped kalabasa or squash. I used the sticky kind, and this is the best variety for this dish because it melts into the sauce and it makes it naturally thick. I poured in 1 more pack of Coco Mama coconut milk and let it simmer until the squash was soft and tender. I also mashed some of the squash into the sauce para mas creamy. Next, I added long green chilies and snake beans. Let it simmer for a few more minutes until the vegetables are cooked but still have that slight crunch. Before turning off the heat, I tasted the sauce and added a bit more fish sauce to balance everything out. And there you have it mga kakusina, ginataang kalabasa with pork belly. Creamy coconut sauce, tender pork, perfectly cooked veggies, all in one dish. Best served with hot rice to soak up every drop of that sauce. Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next video mga kakusina. Bye now!